Hibiscus plant is a tropical area plant. In such places the hibiscus plant grow under the big trees, with an indirect sunlight and high humidity level. There are many varieties of hibiscus plant, classified according to their flower size and shape. Some hibiscus varieties have variegated leaves, that looks very beautiful. Hibiscus plant is a summer season flowering plant, grown in almost all regions of the world. Ideal temperature range to grow hibiscus plant is roughly around 25 to 45 degrees. In winters, as the temperature decreases from 20 degrees, hibiscus plant stops growing and became dormant. At that time you can move them indoors, to protect them from severe temperature decrease. You can grow hibiscus plant anywhere around the spring days up to late summer days. Avoid planting and growing hibiscus in winters. The most important thing to take care of is the location of hibiscus plant. Availability of a good amount of sunlight is also important while growing hibiscus plant, as it promotes the growth of new buds and flowers. Hibiscus plant grow very well in a bright sunny spot. Provide minimum 3 to 5 hours of sunlight. Sunlight makes a good immune system of hibiscus plant against harmful pests and diseases. Deficiency of light causes such type of yellow leaves and a stunted growth. A full day of direct sunlight is not so much ideal, unless the humidity is high. Choose a semi-shaded area, with a good amount of indirect sunlight. As hibiscus plant is a fast-growing flowering plant, therefore it will definitely requires a lot of nutrients to keep its healthier growth continue. Hibiscus plant is a heavy feeder that requires a variety of essential nutrients and minerals to grow well. Deficiency of nutrition causes a stunted growth, very less blooming on hibiscus and such type of yellow leaves. So to keep all type of deficiencies away, you must need a good fertilizer that fulfills the requirements of hibiscus plant. For that, you can check out a detailed video on making a powerful fertilizer for hibiscus plant added in description box. Otherwise you can also buy a ready-to-use hibiscus plant fertilizer, that works just perfect. So keep fertilizing every 20 days for constant growth. The next thing to maintain while growing hibiscus plant, is the moisture and humidity. And a good soil mixture plays a big role in this thing. Hibiscus plant loves to be grown in a soft and water-retaining soil. In a compact soil mix, they hardly survives and such type of yellow leaves appears. So, it is preferred to use a commercial ready-to-use mixture, as it works really well. Hibiscus roots grow much faster in this mix. You can buy this potting mix, from the description box. Next thing to take care of while growing hibiscus plant, is the watering technique. A deep watering on alternate days, and daily in summers work just perfect. If you are living in an area, with a burning and dry sun, then a gentle spray over the leaves of hibiscus plant make it feel really good, and also the plant shows new growth and flower buds. Always check the soil moisture level and then water, don't let the soil to dry out completely. Now let's talk about the most common problems of hibiscus plant. Mealybugs, aphids, whiteflies etc. are the pests that attacks very frequently on hibiscus upper growing shoots. The all-in-one solution to all of these harmful pests is the use of pesticide spray every 15 days. The most effective thing is neem oil spray, that is organic and easy to use. You can buy a ready-to-use neem oil pesticide spray from the description box. And keep spraying this pesticide on hibiscus plant to keep all the pests away. Other problems found in hibiscus plant are leaf curl, browning leaves, yellow leaves etc. But if you are following all the hibiscus plant care tips described previously, they will not harm so much. So this is the whole video on hibiscus plant care. Follow up this guide and you will definitely find a visible change. For making a powerful fertilizer for hibiscus plant at home, you can follow up this video here. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.